Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to customize your display and sound with the Onn TV.
Before we continue, here is a quick reminder. If you are browsing on Smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I would highly recommend using a VPN. This is because a VPN helps protect your privacy, it secures your connection and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN because it is fast, reliable and works smoothly on TV devices. In the description of this video, I've added a special link that you should check it out and create an account. That's it, let's continue.
So let's get straight into it. We're going to hop over to quick settings. You can find that at the top panel to the right. Now when you're on quick settings, hover over to all settings. Click on it and you're in. So you're going to navigate to display and sound. Click on it and it opens up. From here you could toggle on or off to enable the HDMI CEC. So I have mine enabled here. If you wish to turn it off, you could just click and it'll be off. So this will control and it will automatically turn on and off other HDMI CECs enabled on or devices with an single remote control. So in this case I'm leaving it on. You could head over to the text scaling on the display, so you could increase the size or reduce the size of the text. To the right of the screen you can see a visual representation of how H1 head and H2 H3 head into, like, you can see them change. This is the default view, this is the default size. This scaling is 100%. You could increase the scale if you're visually challenged and getting up to 115% or even higher as 100 and 180. So this is still the default settings, and as well change the dynamic color format. It's the format that came as default, and that's the one I have available. Your device friend change to match content range, to match the dynamic range of the content you're playing. In this case, for all the dynamic range will be static. If it's match frame rate. So I have mine set to seamless only, just to have it on, but I think seamless only is the best option to have, or that option when you're streaming or watching content. The next up is resolution. So we choose the thing automatic 4K resolution. So it keeps the resolution at 4K 59.94 Hz. Honestly, you can 60 Hz with the 4K, or you could choose 50 Hz. You can go to 30 and 29.97, as you can see at the right of the screen. So these are all resolutions. You could go down as low as 1080p. So this is going to be based on your preferences and the device you're using. Now as well, you go to display settings. Here you could choose a preferred dynamic range and allow game mode. So I'm allowing game mode to be on. Format selection is on automatic, and these are the settings. Now let's go over to the sound settings. Under sound, you could choose to ensure that automatic settings is going to allow you to enable only the formats that are supported by the audio output device. In this case, that's my setting. Alternatively, choose none, and this will never use surround sound. So it's depending on your settings, the device will work for you. In my case, I'm choosing to leave system sounds on. You could choose to turn them off so you don't hear feedback and navigate the device. So basically for your display settings, if you hold it up to the end, you could see how customized your display and your sound settings to suit preferences in the device on using the Onn TV. So if it's helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.